Hello there and welcome to today's session. Today I have a restorative, relaxing practice for you that you can do if you had a long, stressful day at work, or you've been doing a lot of manual labor or sitting in front of a laptop. So you want to open the body, you want to relax, stretch, maybe reset your nervous system. So this routine will have some of my favorite exercises that I like to do in the evening myself. I'm actually filming it quite late at night. It's almost 9 o'clock, beautiful sunset behind me. So I invite you to join me for this relaxing session, and hopefully you'll feel good by the end of it. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Make sure you have your weight equally distributed on both feet. Unlock your knees, relax your hips. Gently bring your tailbone slightly forward to help you relax and open through the lower back. So we're moving from this position into this position. This immediately helps to release the lower back. If you've been sitting a lot, this is fantastic. And then keep your spine nice and straight, shoulders down, away from the ears, your arms relaxed by the side. There's a little bit of space under your armpits for the energy to circulate better. Let's release the back of the neck by bringing the chin slightly in. And mentally continue to reach upwards through the crown of the head. From here, bend your knees, interlace your fingers in front of your body. Gently look up, chest open, chin up. Shifting your weight a little bit forward, allow yourself to stretch the front of the body. Then shift your weight back to full feet, positioning your hands directly over the crown of the head. Allow yourself to lift and elongate through your spine and the center line. Release the position, relaxing your neck and shoulders first, followed by the chest, the rib cage, the abdomen, and all the way down. We're going to repeat this exercise slowly, mindfully, paying attention to the bodily sensations. Open up. Shift your weight back. Open, lifting your hands towards the sky. Release gently, allowing yourself to soften, bringing that sense of relaxation through your entire body. Continue with this exercise, opening up. Shift your attention to your spine, more towards the back. Feel free to lift your heels off the ground, but making sure you still keep your balance, feel grounded and connected through your feet. Open up. Keep your breath relaxed. As you slow down your movement, your breath will naturally slow down. It will help to relax your nervous system, slowing down your heart rate, and bringing a sense of calm and tranquility. Open up. Release. A quick stretch for the spine. Full release down. Relax your hands by the side, keeping a good alignment, sinking your way down into your feet, allowing your lower back and your spine to relax fully. Slowly raise your hands overhead, rotate your neck and reach upwards. Here, the focus is on the side of the body, drawing a line from your palm down to your heel. Bring your hand back down, relax in your shoulder, relax in the upper back, upper chest, down the rib cage, all the way down the side of the body. Repeat the same on the other side, moving slowly. My feet are connected to the ground because I want to feel that line coming down. I want to feel that stretch. Release. And as you follow that line, bring in that relaxation, enhancing the energy flow all the way down again. We go again, open up. Be gentle to yourself without overextending, overreaching. They should feel pleasant, should feel enjoyable. Release as you're paying attention to the bodily sensations. Relaxing all the way down to your fingertips. One more time on this side. Connecting your palm to your feet through your entire body. And then bring in that sense of softness, comfort, warmth that is traveling down your arm, relaxing further all the way to your feet. Very good. This time, both hands go up. And here, come up on your toes. Focusing, opening yourself up through your rib cage. Maybe do a little freestyle here. Just feel your rib cage opening. Bring your hands back down to soften. Relax here. From here, we're gonna move the leg out. I want you to feel grounded through the main leg, the leg that is holding pretty much your entire body weight. The ankle and the leg that is rotated carries no weight. So be mindful on that. We're standing flat on the ground, sending your weight down. Grab yourself by your wrist and open gently. Stay relaxed and just ease into that stretch, coming down past your hip bone, down the side of your leg. Feeling your rib cage opening. Go easy. Safely come out again, fully relying on your main leg. Relax. Get yourself nice and grounded. Empty the other leg, position it right next to it, and open. See if you can take a couple of deep breaths here to ease into the stretch. I'm not pushing or forcing here. It's at the end of the day, I just want to be gentle. Very good. Safely come out. Stay nicely in control. And adjust your feet. Keep them parallel. Assume the position to reset and relax the lower back. That means your tailbone is pointing down and your weight is evenly distributed onto both feet. From here, extend your arms and we're going to turn to a point that feels comfortable, that feels good enough for you to finish your day. Palms are open, but shoulders relaxed. Come back and turn to the other side. Release. So this is all about rotation across your waist, across your abdomen, contracting and relaxing the muscles of the back. Remember, relaxing the muscles of the back. Good. Hands once more on each side. Good. Come back. Relax your hands down. Then place them on your lower back. Depends how your shoulders are doing. If you feel tense, you can let them relax. Otherwise, keep your palms on your lower back. We're going into the hip rotation. Slowing things down. Very good. When you're ready, we change the direction. Very good. Come back. Slow it down when you're ready. Return into center. And then relax your hands down. To make sure I have a good circulation to the legs and back up to the heart, I like this exercise. It's a pleasant stretch, front and back open as you pleasantly extending through the lower back and then shifting the weight to the back. Stretch the hamstring, relax in that tension, and we go again. Nice soft breath in, easy exhale. Going forward, open up, exhale, stretch. Force nothing. Mindfully moving with your breath, that awareness of the stretch, without any unpleasantries. Very soft, very loving, easy on the joints, perfect for the evening stretch. One more time before we change legs. Good. Straighten up, shift, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Paying attention to the movement, to your breath, bringing a sense of comfort as you move. Very good. One more time. Open, leg parallel, feet parallel. Relax. Very good. And then bring your hands near your abdomen. We're going to deepen our breath, to calm the nerves, to center ourselves, to relax even more. In and out the nose, keeping your chest nice and flat, sending your breath all the way down to your belly. If it helps, you can keep one hand on your chest. So let's begin. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Continue on your own, keeping your chest nice and flat, paying attention to the movement of the abdomen. So if you have any stress, negative emotions, any worries that don't seem to leave your head, every time you exhale, let them leave your body. Exhale all the thinking, all the problems, all the worries. So the deeper you breathe, the emptier your head feels. Returning your mind back into the body. Very good. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Gently place both hands on your abdomen. Notice how you feel as you come back into your space, as you open your eyes. Notice what effect those exercises had on you this evening. Smile to yourself. Thank yourself for showing up, for making that effort to practice. And I do hope that you feel better. Relax your hands, bring your feet together. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope it was helpful. I hope you could feel that calm, tranquil energy wherever you are in the world. So thank you for practicing with me. I wish you great health and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.